Welcome to our washer showdown. Today we will be comparing two popular compact washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the ROVSUN 15 LBS Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs. But which one is the better choice for you? Let's dive into the details and find out. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub utilizes a gravity drain system, which requires manual positioning to drain water. This can be a bit cumbersome for some users. In contrast, the ROVSUN portable washing machine features a built-in drain pump, allowing for easier and more efficient water removal. This convenience can save you time and effort, especially when dealing with larger loads of laundry. When it comes to washing capacity, the Super Deal has a total capacity of 13 pounds, with 8 pounds for washing and 5 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the ROVN offers a slightly larger capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This difference in capacity can make a significant impact on how much laundry you can do in a single cycle, especially for larger households or those with more laundry needs. Warranty is another important factor to consider. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub does not come with a warranty, which may be a concern for some buyers. In contrast, the ROVSUN portable washing machine includes a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind and protection against potential defects or issues that may arise during use. This added assurance can be a deciding factor for many consumers. In conclusion, both the Super Deal and ROVSUN washing machines offer great features for compact living. The Super Deal is lightweight and easy to use, while the ROVSUN provides added convenience with its built-in pump and larger capacity. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, one may be a better fit for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.